Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Hey, have you ever wished that you knew the best websites out there that will allow you to make the most money online as quickly as humanly possible? If so, stick around and watch today's video through until the very end, as I'm about to share with you the top 5 websites for you to use to make $100 per day or more. My name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done over $15 million in total sales, and I've been a top earning affiliate marketer in 2 different companies. And so what I'm going to be sharing with you here in this video is based on experiential knowledge and not just theoretical knowledge, as I'm about to be sharing with you the top 5 companies for you to get started with and promote as an affiliate in order to begin profiting in your online business. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so once again, what we're going to be talking about here today are the top 5 sites that you can get started with and promote to begin to earn money, $100, $200, maybe even $300 a day online. Now, before we dive in, income disclosure, I can't guarantee you that you're going to produce any result. You might make nothing, you might make something. Most people don't make anything because they don't do anything, right? And so I don't know the level of effort that you're going to put into this whole thing. And so I can't say that you're absolutely going to make money. What I can say is that these various sites that I'm going to show you work if, once again, you get started, you learn skill sets, and you work the programs. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in and stick around till the very end, because I personally believe that the 5th option is the best option for getting started with and doing it quickly. So here we are at my computer screen, and the first website, very simply, is Amazon. All right, now a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually make money with Amazon and not just spend money with Amazon. All right, so if you're super new, an affiliate program is very simply a program that you can sign up for, sell someone else's product, and then go ahead and earn a commission. And you can actually do that with Amazon. So if we scroll to the very bottom here, you'll see this little Make Money With Us section. If we click Become an Affiliate, right here, we can sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon. This would allow you to sign up, sell Amazon products, and then earn a percentage of what you go ahead and sell. And with Amazon, you can earn up to 10% commissions, once again, when you sell a product. So the pro with Amazon is that you're good if you're good with traffic generation, if you're good with setting up a store, if you're good with selling, real tangible products. And if that's kind of what your strength is as a marketer, once again, there are literally tens of thousands of products that you can grab, you can sell, and you can earn a commission with. The con is that whenever there's a product that's a physical good, that there's more cost to develop, to ship, all the various infrastructure of the business has costs. When there's more costs in that regards, you're going to earn a smaller percentage of the overall commission. So with Amazon, you only earn 10%. But if you want to sell physical products, if you want to, do the whole drop shipping thing with Amazon, once again, it's a great opportunity if you're willing to learn the skill sets. Now, the second website, which I absolutely love, and I've promoted products on this many times, is ClickBank. All right. Now, what ClickBank is, very simply, is a marketplace that you can sign up for and promote information marketing products. All right. So we've all purchased them. Maybe you've bought an ebook, maybe you bought a course, something that you buy and you spend $67 on, you get access to an online login portal. You can log in, go through the product at your own pace. And once again, it's information-based product. Now, the best thing about an information-based product is based on the fact that there aren't as many costs, based on the fact that there aren't as many, you don't need to create the product, you don't need to ship the product. All of that is, once again, automated. The margins are much higher, meaning that you as the affiliate, when you go ahead and make the sale, can earn a higher percentage of the commission. So with Amazon, you might earn 10%. With ClickBank, you can earn anywhere from 25, 35, 40, 50, up to 75, sometimes 90% of an actual sale that you generate. All right. So once again, ClickBank is awesome. What I'll say is that ClickBank has a wide variety of different niches. So if you want to promote information products in the health and wellness space, in the relationship space, in the internet marketing space, but those other niches that the other programs don't necessarily have, once again, ClickBank is a great place for you to start. And really, I would say the big differentiator is that with ClickBank, there are a bunch of multiple different markets that you can promote products in, and there are extremely high percentages is on the commissions. Now, the third program that you can go ahead and sign up for is a program called Entre Institute. All right, now this program has kind of gotten a little bit more popular in the course of the last few years. And this is kind of sort of one of our competitors in the marketplace. But once again, I'm keeping it real. And when there's something of high quality, I'm fine with going ahead and saying it. And so essentially what Entre Institute is a program that focuses on teaching 3 core business models. All right, so the first business model is affiliate marketing. So they'll actually teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing. The second business model that they teach is agencies. So how to set up your own agency and, run ads for businesses. So they'll teach you how to set up an agency if you want to do that. And if you resell their products, they'll teach the people who purchase your products how to set up an agency. And lastly is information marketing. All right, so setting up a course, creating a course of your own, selling that course, and once again, keeping all of the profits. So once again, Entre Institute has great products when it comes to those 3 specific categories. If you want to go ahead and have people learn how to create an agency or how to create an information product, this can be a great place for them to start. Once again, they have higher ticket commissions as well. So you can earn a higher percentage, but you can also earn a higher percentage on the back end as well. And we have affiliates promote our stuff and promote Entre as well. And I know once again, the product quality is there based on talking with the other various affiliates. So that's the third option, and that's kind of the pros and cons of using Entre. Now, the fourth option, is something called Partner with Anthony. And this is the sales page, so you need to purchase this. And Partner with Anthony is really good if you want to go ahead and get started and begin earning multiple streams of income at the very beginning. All right, which I know sounds really cool and sounds really exciting immediately. The con is that there isn't as much high ticket back end profit. So from what I understand, once again, if you get started with Partner with Anthony, you'll promote it. And there are a bunch of various tools that people will sign up with in order to go ahead and get their business off the ground. Just like with any business, an online business has tools. There are autoresponders, there's hosting companies, there's funnel builders, there's, a multitude of different softwares and so on and so forth. Now, what Partner with Anthony offers is that when you promote Partner with Anthony, you'll sign up for those programs, you'll put in your affiliate link for those programs, and when you promote the one program on the front end, people will then come through and they'll sign up for all of those various different programs on the back end. All right, meaning that once again, you can promote one product, one website, one offer, and then you can begin to earn, commissions from 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6 different things on the back end. The only con is that once again, the high ticket element isn't necessarily there or isn't there as abundantly as with some of the other programs. All right, so that's the fourth option. Now, the fifth option, which I believe to be the best, but I might be just a little bit biased, is the Super Affiliate Network. All right, now this is my program, this is my company, and once again, this is a company we essentially focus specifically on teaching people the one thing being affiliate marketing. And the reason we teach people the one thing being affiliate marketing, very simply, is because when you're first getting started online, there's so many different things that you have to learn if you want to be profitable with an information marketing business. As an example, you need to learn how to create offers, you need to learn how to shoot videos, you need to learn how to write sales copy, you need to learn how to set up sales funnels, you need to learn how to write email sequences, you need to learn how to set up autoresponders, and the list goes on and on and on, and it never ends. All right. Now, one of the biggest things that keeps so many people back from creating success is confusion, getting stuck in confusion, getting stuck in overwhelm, and not being able to go ahead and break out of that, get that first result in order to go ahead and scale their business. And what I found, after being online for the better part of the last, 6 or 7 years, is that affiliate marketing is the best place for people to begin to start getting wins, to start generating sales, to get their business off the ground and profitable once again to that six-figure mark, or even beyond for that matter. We have affiliates that have earned up to $30,000 in a month. Obviously, results not typical. Just tattoo that on my forehead, right? But with that said, it's the best vehicle for people to use when they're first getting started, to avoid the confusion, to avoid the overwhelm, to reduce the amount of complexity, to reduce the amount of resistance and friction for getting them up profitable and once again, generating sales as quickly as humanly possible. If you try to teach someone information marketing at the very beginning, there's so many different hurdles that they have to overcome, right? So with that said, on our back-end products, we have higher ticket commissions as well. We have a full product line. And we also have mentorship programs where once someone actually gets to the point where they're profitable with their affiliate marketing business and they're looking to scale to the next level and beyond, they want to have their product, they want to go ahead and create their own funnel, have their own information marketing business. We actually teach that as well, but less of that in our products and more of that in our one-on-one mentorship programs on the back end that some of our most successful students get started with and also promote and earn affiliate commissions with. So with that said, that's my review for the day of the top 5 programs to promote in order to go ahead and earn $100 per day online or more. Once again, Amazon if you want to play the physical real product game. ClickBank if you want to promote products in a variety of different niches in the information marketing world. Entre Institute if you want to promote products that teach people how to go ahead and set up a digital agency or an information marketing business. Partner with Anthony if you want to go ahead and promote something that unlocks multiple streams of lower ticket residual income for you from day number 1. And the Super Affiliate Network, my program if you want to go ahead and promote something that I personally believe to be in alignment with the best business model for the person who's brand new to use to get off the ground, get profitable without the overwhelm, without the confusion, scale up to the six-figure mark, and once again, earn a bunch of commissions in doing so. So I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, leave me a quick comment below with your biggest takeaway. I like to read each and every single comment. I try to reply to each and every single one as well. Also, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.